So here, okay, we have a chest that has 8 containers. Okay, so if each container, so one container would contain 8 boxes. So what that means is for our 8 containers, right, if each container has 8 boxes, then we have 8 times 8 boxes total. Okay, and now, right, for each box, we have, right, 8 bottles. Okay, so what that means is then for our 8 times 8 box, okay, so 8 times 8 boxes, we'll have, right, 8 bottles times 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, so that's how many bottles we'll have. Okay, this 8 comes from the fact that, right, we have 8 bottles, and this 8 times 8 comes from the fact that we're talking about 8 times 8 number of boxes. Okay, and we know that each bottle, so one bottle will contain 8 quarters. Okay, so then if we have 8 times 8 times 8 bottles, okay, again, each bottle will contain 8 quarters. So if we have this many bottles, we just have to multiply this number by 8 again. Okay, that will be the number of quarters in this entire chest. Okay, so what is the value of the money in the chest then? Well, right, this is going to be 8 to the power of 4 quarters. Okay, we know that the quarter is worth $0.25. So if you multiply this by the number of quarters we have, you end up getting $1,024.